Veggies is so important and vital to our body. Yes, because of its richness in fiber, and our body needs fiber for so many reasons, but especially for bowel movement. Yes, as long as you taking things to the body through the mouth, you have to take the waste of those things, and I'm talking about solid, out through the anus. And veggies is one food component that easily help your bowel to move, helping you to take out solid waste. Yes, guys. And if you are also suffering constipation, then it is high time you introduce enough veggies to your food. And guys, on this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a very delicious, mouth-watering plate of vegetable soup without breaking your bank. And so, let's get cooking. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good wherever you are watching me from. If you are just joining my channel, this is Cubes Out. On here we teach you how to make mouth-watering dishes without seasoning cubes or powder. Yes, because we are avoiding MSG, and that is the way to live healthy. So here we are making a vegetable soup today. Yes guys, now the very first thing we are doing here is to heat up our pot. So here I already heated up the pot and then added the quantity of red oil that I'm going to be using for this. The quantity of red oil to use is at your own discretion, please. All right, so after getting it heated, I'm sorry my camera wasn't on. I didn't know the camera was put on pause, so I added some diced onion. And you just have to add some diced onion and get it frying until it's a bit dry. Unless I forget, I also added some salt to this hot frying onion. While that is done, I am adding my already washed and diced water leaf. Sorry, I had to wash and do all of this behind the camera so that I can save us some time. So that is the water leaf already washed and diced that I just introduced here, and I'm going to be frying it for some minutes. Remember guys, water leaf got some water in it, just as the name implies. So we are frying it first so that it will be able to give out the water content in it, and we'll get some of them already dry before we can continue with our cooking, because in vegetable soup you really don't need much of water. So I get it covered to cook. Been cooking for some time now. It is time to just stir it and see how it is doing. So right now I just added some blended ginger and garlic. This is optional, you can do without it, but I like ginger and garlic in almost all my dishes. And to that I just added my protein. This is iced fish, croaker fish, already pre-cooked. I hope you are being observant here. I am going to comment on this later. Following that, I added some coarsely blended scotch bonnet pepper, and to that I'm adding my grinded crayfish. This crayfish was also coarsely grinded. It's not finely grinded, so that you can be able to chew it and have some disturbances in your mouth while you are eating. And in there is my ogiri, locust bean. It's a native seasoning, made from locust beans and some other things that is being added to it. So that's what I just added, and I'm just going to give it a good stir. Now guys, I know you must be waiting for all those rishi stockfish, pomo, beef, mangala, periwinkle, all those shenanigans, because they have made you to believe that those things must go into vegetable soup. Okay, I just added some salt. Now says who guys, is it called assorted meat soup, or is it called vegetable soup? What is it called? Vegetable soup, right? So the veggies are the basic for this soup. That you just have your water leaf and your pumpkin leaf, you are good to go. That's the vegetable that we need. So like I said, you don't have to break the bank to eat healthy. No, this time around that everything is hyped in the market, you can still eat healthy, my dear. You can still eat your sumptuous plate of soup, yes, with just 2,000 naira. Quote me right, it is not more than that. So the basic thing is the vegetable, guys. Any other protein that you so wish to use is just at your own discretion. So here I just used my iced fish, yes, and my soup came out so nicely. And that ogiri, you see that locust bean, please do not joke with it. It's very important. It has a peculiar taste to this. Just make sure you add enough crayfish and you have that locust beans there. You have your ginger and garlic and then your veggies. You're good to go. All those shakibis, that proteins must not be there. But if you have the money, do well to do that. But when you want to cook your vegetable soup on a low, on a budget, then this will come handy and it's all the same. Yes. So the last thing I added was crayfish. Yeah, beginning and ending. You observe I added crayfish. It's for a peculiar flavor and it's very nice. So after adding the crayfish and pumpkin, I covered it and allowed it to simmer for about a minute and I get it stirred up. And guys, this soup is making sense. And because I didn't have much, I didn't have it that moist the way I want, because I fried the watermelon a bit, so some water were lost. I had to add a little fish stock to get it kind of moist, yeah. And that is the locust or ogiri leaf that I just took out of the soup. I could also add the thing like that without the leaf, but hey, I wanted to do what my mom used to do back in the days, yeah, when we were small. When they are cooking ofonubu, they used to throw that ogiri with the very first leaf that is being used to tie it, because the thing is being tied in plenty leaves, yeah. But that smallest one that I used to tie before every other one was going to the soup. I don't know if it adds a special taste to the soup, but I decided to do it. Guys, have you given this video a thumbs up already? Please, if you haven't, give it a thumbs up, and trust me, our soup is done. It's done, the gas is put off, so you can serve this with any swallow of your choice. Just go enjoy. You can have it with chilled water or good fruit juice, and then go and relax and sleep afterwards, and then wake up about 4 to 5 hours later to go and release your bowel. Yes, because you must, if you're the type that shits once in 2 days or in 3 days, with vegetable soup or enough veggies in your food, my dear, you will have to be shitting every day. I'm a testimony to this. All right, so you go and try it out. With this is where I'm going to draw the curtain. I hope you have liked, comment, and share this video with your friends. Let them come and learn what you're learning here, guys. Until I see you in my next video, please stay safe and bye-bye.